I think that it's very important to understand that our being declared righteous by God when we are united with Christ is a legal notion. That is to say, God gives us a legal pardon of all of our sins so that we become guiltless and innocent before Him. And the analogy of this would be a legal pardon that is issued by the president or the governor of a condemned criminal. Now, when a condemned criminal is pardoned by the executive authority, he doesn't instantly become a virtuous, loving, good person. Rather, he's declared legally guiltless before the law. And then it will be a matter of rehabilitation for him to gradually become a good person, we hope, in time. And that's what is biblically called sanctification, that we are first declared legally righteous before God, and then we are sanctified by the Holy Spirit as we walk in His power over time to actualize that in our lives and become actually virtuous, good, loving people conformed to Christ's image. But the initial act of justification is a declaration of legal righteousness before God.